Kunomkholisalo kwasendoda lesi umavula kuvala emzini emadoda uanti usho umncwabo uhlehlile. Ngani zakuthi namhlanje na ngivuka ngento ethi don't give up. Don't give up. I know kunzima, I know you've tried everything. Uyile emasontweni, waya kubathandazi, waya enyangeni, wayeza ngomeni, ayikho indlela ongayizamanga. But don't give up. You know, at the eve of giving up, you must know ukuthi kulana umthakathi ekhathala khona. Lana wena uyijothi I'm giving up, kulana umthakathi ekufuna khona, kula imfamona zekufuna khona, and kulana kufanele wena uthini, no, I can't give up now. I can't. You have traveled such a long journey to give up now. For as long as uvuka uphefumula ukhuluma ukwazi ukuvula amehlo wanyathela, chaza ukuthi abakini nomvelinqangi, they are giving you yet another opportunity to live your life to the fullest. So if you give up, what are you trying to solve? Maybe you are giving up, you haven't tried. Maybe kunomthandazi ngakini ulokhu uzwa kancane ukhunywa ngaye akwazi uye kuye. Maybe kunomuntu omazi, maybe kunomfundisi ofane babuya kuye but uyahluleka ukuya kuye ngoba usitshela ukuthini uya give up. So today I'm giving you actually a wake up call to say, okay, it's fine. You're planning to give up. Kunzima, it's tough. It's tough, Gogo, kunzima. Gogo, angisazi fanele ngenze njani. Gogo, I've tried that. Gogo, angisazi. There are people who are coming here and everything, and sometimes I'll just feel ukuthi this person akafuna ukuhlolelwa, this person akafuna imuthi, this person needs a person to talk to, and I give that platform. So today, I'm just saying to you, don't give up, because you know, umuthi, it works in a very strange way. Umuthi works with you. If you give up, kulana umuthi lona bakushaya ngawo uzosebenza khona kakhulu. But if you tell yourself ukuthi ngeke balunge, I'm going to fight. Yes, usibani baluhlulekile ukungisiza, yes, but I'm going to fight. I'm going to make sure ukuthi I survive. I'm going to make sure ukuthi akathathi advantage of me. I'm going to make sure ukuthi I bounce back. Yes, I'm down and out, angisasebenzi, anginamali, imoto zami zidliwe, umfazi uhambile, indoda ihambile, whatever the reason might be, but uzitshele ukuthi I am not going to give up. This is my life and I'm going to live this life to the fullest. I don't care who says what, when, but I'm going to live this life to the fullest. I'm going to try again. I'm going to try something else again. Maybe you have never been into church. Maybe ingilosi yakho isosontweni. It's not everybody osetshenzela umuthi. Maybe yakho ingilosi isosontweni. But you don't want anything to do with, you want nothing to do with the church and everything because you are so confused. But I'm saying don't give up. Why are you giving up? What are you trying to solve? Don't give up. Because idlozi lakho sometimes linikelela ngawe just to test you. How much trust do you have kulona? Sometimes uNkulunkulu uyakiyekelela, umvenqangi uyakiyekelela ngoba afuna ukukubona ukuthi uyathemba yini ukuthi ukhona futhi kukhona into angayenza. Njengoba sibhekane ne-COVID-19, many people bathi, where is God? Where is God? Sifa kangaka. Where is God? Sifa kangaka. But thina ke sesisurvivile i-COVID-19, we saying ukuthi ukhona umvenqangi. Bakhona amadlozi. If isikhathi singakafiki ngeke uye ndawo. Yes, we have lost our loved ones. That made us to question ukuthi kanti emhlabeni kunjani? Kanti why is these things are happening? But still we are not giving up into life. Still we are pushing on. Still we are determined ukuthi whatever it takes we will do it. So today I'm just saying asinga digibali. Asinga give up, asizinikele ekutholeni usizo, because we are not getting help for ourselves, but we are getting help for our children. We are getting help for our future generations. So if we give up now, what are you expecting your children to do? What are you going to tell your children? Nga give up angisaphila. So what kind of ancestor are you going to be if when you gave up in life? When you gave up early in life? That's a short video. Don't give up. Not now. It's too early. You can still make it. Gogo Bathini Mbatha 0357995703 0357995703. That is the only booking number, not any 082 number, not any scamming people and everything when they're asking for money. It's up to you. I cannot be held responsible for that. Thokozani.